guys, so I'm getting ready to go door dashing, and I put together a video for you. I get ready with me, and I basically go through my entire routine, sharing some things with you. I know the struggles when you have mature skin, when you are aging. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm 44. I'm going to be 45 in July, and it's bothering me. And there's a lot going on in my life right now, and I am starting to open up and share it with you guys. Because I feel like I'm not the only one going through this. And yeah, so I'm doing a get ready with me today. If you can relate to anything that I'm saying, let me know, because I know that if you comment down below, other people will see it too. So if they're going through like menopause, perimenopause, you know, that kind of thing, and you are over 40 and you're feeling kind of down about it, you might help someone, and that's super important, to spread awareness, kindness, and be there for each other. All right, so let's get into this get ready with me to go DoorDash. I am going to get ready to go to work. Now, I've already tried the face mask. I just got an Ipsy, and I liked it. It smelled so freaking good. I thought the Keys product was a moisturizer. It's not, so I won't be using that right now. But I did get this, the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter, and what I think it was Boxycharm, maybe? I don't know, or maybe it was the other product I got in Ipsy. So we're going to use that. But anyhow, I'm getting ready to go door dashing. Yes, that is my second job. I door dash. Look at this. Woo! 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 I don't really like the scent. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. So I've exfoliated. I've used the mask. I've gotten rid of any little fuzz on my face. So I am just putting this into my skin. As you can see, because I have not been tanning, you can see my uneven skin tone, which is super friggin' annoying. Which is hence why I want to put on some makeup and look nice and fresh. There are some door dashers that will actually deliver your food in their pajamas. I refuse to be like that. Yeah, I do. Okay, so I gotta let this soak in, and then we gotta figure out what type of look we want to go for, which is pretty much just everyday kind of throw up the hair kind of thing. I think that's what we're gonna. Lips constantly, and it's so irritating. This one I just got not too long ago. I'll put the information on the screen, but this is what it looks like. It smells super good, and it's not real hard. I don't like the real hard sugar ones because, I don't know, they just don't do as much to me, and they kind of like tear your skin, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna put this up here and wipe it off. It smells so good. And you can eat it, not that I would, but I do remember it being one of the key selling points. So like, you can eat it if you want. One of my favorite primers is by Tarte. This actually has like silicone in it. It comes with a pad, but I never use the pad. I mean, I just to put on, I need to push it into my pores. My pores are not perfectly little round circles, so I need to make sure that I get it in there. I don't know how that sounds, but I think you guys know what I mean. All right, so I put a little bit on my finger, and then I start to push it into the skin. You don't want to use a heavy amount though, because believe it or not, even though your makeup sticks to it, it can cause dryness. Any type of primer can do that. This one is less likely to, because silicone holds in moisture. But yeah, this is what I do around my entire face. And it definitely makes a difference. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. But it's instant smoothing. That is what we need when we have large pores. It has been so long, I think, since I've used a cream foundation. And I got the KVD Good Apple, the one that went viral. And I don't think this color is gonna work, but that was all they had, and I just really wanted to try it. They don't even give you a little pad to apply it. What's that about? Am I supposed to use my fingers or a beauty sponge? Let's get a damn beauty look. Okay, let's try her out. What we got? Oh, I was looking like this is a mirror. Hey, Karen. Good job. That really would have helped. Okay. Let's see. Oh, you guys need to be able to see. Wow, look at that coverage. Oh, this was sold out when it came out, so I couldn't get my hands on it, but I'm really kind of shocked. creams, to me, don't work that well, but this one's so far so good. Huh. It looks like a little goes a long way. Wow. Okay. Now I know what foundation's gonna hide my redness. Okay, let's finish. Wow. Okay, it is time for brows, and with mature skin, your brows, they're different, and you gotta like apply brow products differently. I do not usually do this with my left hand, but feeling kind of lucky today. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, mature skin brows are different. So after we trim and tweeze, so get the area all nice and clean, you need a brow product to fill in the bald spots and give it shape. Especially if you had 90s brows. We overplucked so much, it became a mess. And with the darkest shade, Charming. And I'm gonna put that out here. Basically blend this in. I'm using the same brush because I went darker and darker so I can. And basically, I just want this outer area to look nice and dark. General rule of thumb, especially if you have hooded eyes and you want your eyes to look bigger, is lighter, medium, dark brushes. It's blinged brushes. It's this one here. It's thick and it picks up the color super well. And basically what I want to do is grab some setting spray because I want the shimmers to pop and stand out. If you want your eyes to stand out in a photo, this is the best way to do it. I mean, you could do a cut crease and do that whole thing, but you can also do this. Put some setting spray on it, go into the color you want, which I'm gonna go into Brilliant. That's what it looks like on the brush. Hopefully that picks that up. You can tap it and then apply. And you wanna go over it to make sure, because sometimes, make sure it's smooth, because sometimes when you use setting spray, it'll bunch up and you just have to smooth it out. But I really wanted it to stand out. That's why I'm doing it this way and using the setting spray. So now that I've applied it, grab a blending brush that has nothing on it and just go in and blend. Oh. I love me a good shimmer. We're gonna do the middle part and we're gonna go in with Vivid, which is another shimmer. So we're gonna repeat the same thing and use the same brush because it's darker in color, so it's not gonna affect anything. Make sure there's a good amount on it. Tap. And place it down. And you're gonna do the same thing. You're going to build it up to get the desired look you want, and then you're going to go in with that blending brush and blend things out. Little circular motions. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's super pretty. For my lower waterline, I've been using this tint liner. I like it. I have to tell you, my liquid liner of the tint I was loving, and then it exploded. Literally exploded. Like, I have it here in a washcloth because it exploded. And I was really sad about it because it was becoming one of my favorite liners. And I have no idea why it it exploded. There's not extreme heat or cold temperatures in here, so there shouldn't be any reason for it. Like, I don't know why it exploded. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty liquid liner. You don't want too much on it. It's one of those brushes that can bend, you know? It's not a marker type brush. And what I'm gonna do is the outer corner right here, I'm just gonna put a line. Okay, make sure it's nice and dark and pigmented. I've got some on my finger. Crap. All right, and then going to bring it on over. Now I'm gonna spend the next minute or two making this as thick as I want it and filling it in. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Morphe times Nikita brush, and what's left underneath my eye, I just kind of want to smoke out. I kind of feel like I want to add a little bit more shadow. So I'm gonna do it on a stiff brush. I'm gonna go into that Charming shade and stamp it in. Then go back with this brush and blend. Okay, I have not done bronzing yet, so I'm gonna go in with the NARS cream bronzer in the shade Laguna. Gonna find me a nice brush here to do. Oh, this one will work. This one will work good. All right, a fairer brush. Okay, dip it in. Start over here. Blend and pull down. Follow up. Okay. Yes. We need some blush. I think we'll go on with this one. Yeah. Usually I would do a coral with this eye look, but I'm just switching things up. So Morphe times Jaclyn Hill brush. Let's see. Okay. Yes, that'll work. That will work. I did put a little bit of bronzer on the side of my nose and right underneath here. Now we need mascara and lashes. Okay, if you're reusing a lash, you definitely want to pull the glue off before you put more glue on it and attach it to your eye. I've been using this glue here, Strip Lash Adhesive. I think, is it Kiss? I don't know. This is the one I've been using. It actually dries pretty fast. So usually I would wait like a minute and a half before applying my eyelash, but with this glue, it's got to be quicker. And you want to put a very thin coat, but focus on putting more on each of the ends. And then you got to wait your 30 seconds. I have anxiety today. I don't like it at all. And then I gotta set my face. Almost forgot to put setting powder on. I know I gotta put on a lip product, but okay. So now what you want to do is place it right above your lashes. Follow it down. And then you're gonna hold this here for, I don't know, 15 seconds. Okay, and then go back over it, pushing it in. Yeah, there we have it. So guys, when you have mature skin, you're over 35, you're over 40, you know, when you're applying your makeup, you might have to hold your skin. You might have to do this, you might have to do that, because your skin moves. It's not as tight as what it used to be. And that's why, like, I want to focus on that when I do tutorials and different things, because I know what you guys struggle with. I've been there and I'm still there. Okay, so I'm going to do a lip product and I'm going to set my face with one size. I don't always use powder, I'm going to be perfectly honest with you, but today I kind of feel like I want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to dust my face by doing this. That's it. Stay away from the under eye. You've already set it. Just do this. Okay, and then you can follow up with setting spray if you want. If you really want to lock in that look, you most certainly can. Okay, so I did that. Now, applying a lip product, you want to make sure your lips are clean and free of foundation. Okay. You can use a lip liner if you want. You can use whatever you want to do. I think for my lip product, what am I going to go in with? I'm thinking my lips have been kind of crazy dry. So what do I got over here? I'm just gonna go with a lip balm. That's what I think I'm gonna do, because I'm applying stuff so often to my lips and I feel like that's the best way to go. So we're gonna go in with this one and just make our lips nice and kind of almost natural looking. Ooh, I don't really like that color. Okay. Yeah, I don't really like the color at all. Okay, I put my hair up because I don't, especially when I'm handling people's food, I don't wear jewelry when I go outdoor dashing, and I just don't want to look flashy or anything, especially if I'm going into a neighborhood I'm not familiar with. I guess it's just a safety measure for me. And then I like to have my hair up out of the way most of the time, so because I am dealing with people's food, I want to make sure everything is nice and clean and protected. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I haven't done a get ready with me in a really long time, and I hope you enjoyed it. I really do enjoy sharing things with you that I've learned, and I love getting to know you guys. If you have any questions for me, put them down in the comments. Hopefully I can answer them for you, and I love you guys so very much. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you take a chance on this channel and hearing what I have to think and say about beauty, and I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.